Good day everyone, this is XK Tutor. So for today's video, we're going to solve a differential calculus problem that uses quotient rule. So we have the problem here. Y is equal to 7x squared plus 4x all over x squared plus 5x. So let's now solve. Y prime is equal to, so let's copy the v, which is x squared plus 5x. Then let's derive the u, which is 14x plus 4 minus, let's copy the u, which is 7x squared plus 4x. Then let's derive the v, 2x plus 5 all over v squared, x squared plus 5x quantity squared. So let's distribute x squared. X squared times 14x, that is equal to 14x cubed. Then x squared times 4, that is positive 4x squared. Then let's distribute the 5x. 5x times 14x, that's 5 times 14, that is 70. Positive 70x squared. Then 5x times 4, that is 20x. Minus, so let's distribute the 7x squared. 7x squared times 2x, that is 14x cubed. Then 7x squared times 5, that is 35x squared. Then 4x times 2x, that is 8x squared. Then 4x times 5, that is 20x. Then let's just copy the denominator, which is x squared plus 5x quantity squared. So let's combine 4x squared and 70x squared. Then let's distribute the negative sign there. So 14x squared, 4x squared plus 70x squared, that is equal to 74x squared plus 20x minus 14x cubed minus 35x squared minus 8x squared minus 20x. Then let's copy the denominator, which is x squared plus 5x quantity squared. So let's simplify things here. So we can notice here that we have 20x and negative 20x, so they both cancel out each other, so we can cancel it out. Then we can also cancel 14x cubed minus 14x cubed. So we are left now with 74x squared minus 35x squared minus 8x squared. So 74 minus 35 minus 8, that is equal to 31x squared all over. So here we can factor out the x times x plus 5 quantity squared. Then we can distribute the squared there on the bottom, so we're left with 31x squared all over x squared times x plus 5 quantity squared. So we can now cancel the x squared there. So the final answer for the problem is 31 all over x plus 5 quantity squared. That's the final answer. I hope you guys learned something today and see you again next time.